What's good, YouTube? You're back on S Motorsports, and today we're going to be test driving a Corvette Z06. All right, guys, so like I said, I have an opportunity to do a ride along with a family friend that just purchased a Corvette Z06. And of course, I had to take the opportunity to check it out. It's kind enough to let me ride along with him, and we'll introduce him here in a second, and he can go over kind of his story, how he got this, as it kind of popped up, and he's pretty lucky. We'll get some B-roll, exhaust clips as well, and hear what this baby sounds like. So obviously it's got the 5.5 flat plane crank engine, and boy, it sounds pretty good from what I heard so far. So we'll get some exhaust clips for sure as well. So let's introduce Deke. He is a family friend. I'm actually off camping, so I don't have my normal audio equipment and stuff, but let me know what you guys think about the video quality as well as the sound, as I'm just using my phone as this kind of popped up, and obviously we got to check it out. So let's introduce Deke. Hello, Deke.
Hi, everybody.
So like I said, Deke is a family friend, and we were airboating and having a few.
Once it hits your lips, it's so good.
And he's like, hey, guess what I got? I got a Corvette Z06. And I'm like, oh my God, buddy. Tell us about how you got this, as obviously everyone kind of knows that Corvette Z06s are hard to get, and you were lucky enough to grab one.
Yep, I was just at the right place, right time. I was at my dealership picking up my wife. She was getting an oil change in her vehicle. They had a Corvette Stingray sitting there. I was walking around that, taking a look at it. Salesman come out, wanted to know if I wanted to buy it. I told him no thanks. If it was a Z06, I'd be interested. We both laughed. He said he'd put my name on a list and call me in 5 years. Well, he called about 2 days later and said they were getting a Z06 in. A couple of people had turned it down, wanted to know if I was interested. So here we are. Got a Z06.
Yeah, that's definitely pretty lucky.
Yeah,
and
nice.
You did get to build it too, you said, right?
Correct.
You got to spec it how you wanted to,
Yep.
So it wasn't just one that they had already coming in. They had an allocation,
Yep.
so you were able to build it how you wanted, which is pretty awesome. And I mean, obviously right off the bat, you picked some pretty nice stuff. You got ceramic, carbon ceramic brakes on there.
Yep.
You said you got the
Aero package.
air,
Had to do that.
so it's not necessarily the what?
It's not the Z07.
Yeah,
A lot
Z07
of
pack.
features of the Z07 I have on this car.
Yep.
I just didn't go with the cup two tires.
Yep. Which, for what you're going to use it for, makes perfect sense.
Yep.
You got the high wing from like the Z07 package, just you said in painted carbon fiber, right?
Yep.
Versus the exposed. So it sounded like the exposed was maybe a little bit on constraint,
Yeah,
but
well,
obviously that,
even enough.
yeah, but that looks fire the way it is. You already got it PPF and ceramic coated.
Yep.
Added some graphics as well to the fenders as well as the hood. I mean, guys, it looks pretty stunning just sitting there, not even moving. I mean, it's crazy. So I haven't even sat in a Corvette of any kind, a Stingray or anything. So this is my first experience. I'm probably getting a little spoiled here to be able to sit in a Z06 to begin with. But yes, it is a very nice car. I think you said you got 1,300 miles on it so far?
Yep.
So you're through the first break-in. And one thing I didn't know is that it's got 2 break-ins, you're saying?
Correct.
So he's got to get to 1,500 miles. And so right now the rev limiter is at what?
7,500.
7,500, and then it opens up to the full
86.
Yeah, that's crazy, guys. I think let's get some exhaust clips, kind of maybe in the tour and the sport, see if we can hear any difference, give it a few revs, and hear what it sounds like, because obviously everyone definitely likes the flat plane crank engine. So beautiful car. Oh my God, what mode is that in?
Tour mode.
That's tour mode? Holy crap, guys. Track mode, he said. Oh my God, guys. That is insane. That's a stock exhaust. This car is stock. Oh my God, that is insane. That sounds awesome. Let me know what you guys think. The camera is not gonna do it justice, but holy crap, that thing sounds amazing. Just in stock form. I can't believe how good it sounds and how loud it is with just the stock exhaust. Crazy. So let's go for a ride and see how this baby handles and what it sounds like in the car. Yeah, you don't really need a aftermarket exhaust, do you?
Not really.
Woo! That thing is insane. We're gonna do a little one of those. Oh, Jesus Christ.
A lot of rocks on the road here.
Yeah, a lot of rocks.
Need some rain to clean the roads up.
That's why you said another reason why you maybe didn't get the Cup 2s is, you know, obviously they pick up
Right.
enough rocks the way it is.
You know.
Same thing with the Camaro. Those tires are so sticky.
Yeah, so the interior, you know, I could have went all kind of, you know, we could have went all red interior, all crazy, but
No,
I just went traditional black, the red stitching, make it stand
oh
out.
no, I like honestly the black with the red stitching. That really just accents it nicely.
Thought about doing red seats, you know, I'm like, fuck it.
No,
I'll just do black.
the red seat belts.
Yeah.
I mean, I did that in the Camaro.
Those,
That's like
yeah.
a little touch that really makes it kind of pop. Yeah, that instrument cluster is awesome.
You know, then just switch it. So that's track mode.
And that's what it'll just hold it there, huh?
Yeah.
Oh my God. This thing just feels so planted. If you can't tell by my smile, big smile too. Holy shit. God, that sounds good in the car. Like you said, you can really hear it like right behind your head, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, it's not over the top.
No, it's not. It just sounds really good.
And the launch control, super easy. Couple pushes.
This is only the third time, right?
Yep, third time using launch control.
Third time.
Little brake, little gas.
Oh, Jesus. Oh my God, that pulls hard. That pulls so hard. Dude, that is crazy.
That's a lot of fun right there. That don't put a smile
you're a car person, it definitely puts a smile on your face. Oh my God. That is insane. And it sounds so good. So what would you say, I mean, is your favorite part of the car? So, I mean, obviously there's like tons of parts, but what, you know, what's your favorite part so far? A couple, just like.
I think the handling, you get on some nice back roads and some nice corners. It just feels so good and it's so fun.
Yeah.
Going up around the corners, giving her,
It holds that at like $4,000 the whole time.
Yeah. So you can put her in track mode, it keeps the underpants up, very responsive. She's ready to rip.
This is like supercar performance, obviously.
Correct.
You know, I mean, that's insane. And it's insane that you were able to, I guess, get lucky enough to be able to have the chance to purchase one. I mean,
Yeah, that's kind of how I sold sales pitch to the wife. Was I told her it was a once in a lifetime opportunity,
Yeah.
once in a lifetime car, which it is.
it is, definitely. Yeah, that is crazy.
Oh my God!
Holy shit.
All right, I had the timer set. 0 to 60 in 2.8 seconds.
Yeah, it felt like it. Holy shit.
That was a good takeoff right there.
Oh my God. This is like super unprepped road surface.
Right.
I mean, that's kind of what they say is like, these things are like fast no matter what surface because it just goes. You know, you kind of suck because you make me want one now. Like, I mean, the whole manual thing, but like, that doesn't even seem like it comes into play. Like,
Right.
you don't need a manual. Holy shit, this thing is balls to the wall.
Oh yeah.
Those motorcycle guys liked
The
it.
Harley guys like us. Yeah.
That's saying something. I mean, congrats on the purchase, because this is, again, thanks for letting us do a little ride along. Of course, the first question, he showed me a picture of the intake manifold with the dual throttle bodies, and I was like, I knew what it was right away, obviously, and I was like, can I have a ride? Obviously. Big thank you to Deke here, letting us do a ride along. We're definitely going to be sending him and his boy and Parker and Max.
Yep.
Shout out to those guys. They're pretty lucky. We're going to send them some S Motorsports t-shirts. Make sure we give them a big thank. But oh my God, you can listen to that all day.
All day. Yeah.
All day. Around the country a little bit. Well, let me know what you guys think, guys. Big shout out to Deke. And yeah, I mean, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if we should have maybe Deke on the channel some more. I'm already like, dude, we need to plan some cruises or something. So
Sure.
we'll see what we can do. Obviously, the summer goes by pretty quick in Wisconsin, but too quick. But I mean, this is awesome. I'm gonna be dreaming about this now. All right. Well, thanks again for joining in, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.